Hey guys, it's Heather. This will be my first time ever unboxing Smiskis. We have made a ton of Sonny Angel videos, but this will be the first time we ever open Smiskis. I was in Japan and they just, I don't know, they never have Sonny Angels, but they always have a ton of Smiskis, and I've been seeing like the cute Smiski decor and I'm kind of about it. I kind of want to hop on the train, especially because they're so available. You don't have to line up or like beat the bots online. You can just pick them up and I think they might be cute. I don't know, we're gonna see. I do have some Sonny Angels to show you guys, but this video will be about Smiskis. So we're gonna start with those. I have the dressing one already, so let's go ahead and open it. Here's the options. I think they also glow in the dark. Why did Sonny Angels surpass these? Why are Smiskis not the GOAT? We shall see. Oh my god, you can kind of see it glowing in the bag a little bit. Do you guys see that? Oh, we got the cover girl. Yes, it's cute. It's like a little getting dressed. And I imagine if you have like a ton of these and like you lay them together, have one climbing the ladder and whatnot, it's gonna be cute once you have them all together. I feel like you can't just have one, you need to have like multiple. So that's why we got 4. This one is, what is this one? Oh shit, is this the, oh, this is series 1. This is the OG. Let's see which one we got. Yeah, so I think they all glow in the dark, right? That's the appeal of them, maybe? Oh shit! Oh, this is kind of cool! So it came with 2. 6 kinds may contain secret. Is this the secret? Did we finally get a secret, guys? Guys, I don't know if this one is the secret. Please tell me. It's not an option on here, so I'm assuming it's a secret. Let me just take them out of the package at this point. So we got a little like stool holding guy, and we got a little guy to sit on the stool. That's so cute. Is this the secret? I think this is the secret. Yeah, we finally got one. Woo! And it's a Smiski. Of course it's gonna be a Smiski, right? Where we finally get the secret. Okay, now we got living in the dark. Here's the 6 kinds. Guys, I can't believe we got a rare. We got a special. We got the secret this time. That's awesome. I think that's the first secret like we've ever gotten, like ever. Oh, this one's cute too. Oh, we got the cover girl again. So it's this dude, and then I guess you can put the cat on top of him, like this. Oh, that's so cute. Guys, maybe I do like Smiskis. What the heck? I like it even more though because we got the secret from the first edition, guys. That's crazy. Now we got exercising Smiski. Here's the options. Aww. He's on a little yoga ball. See, I feel like the combo of them all together is really cute. Then we got museum. I really like this one actually. I think the museum edition kind of slays. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I think this is, I think he's like pouring paint. But yeah, very cute. And that is all the Smiskis that we got. Obviously, my favorite will be our secret that we got. Oh, it's so hard to balance though. There we go. Yeah, this one's my favorite. And then my second favorite will probably, oh, they're all the balancing ones, but it'll be this cat one. Like, that's so cute. Hopefully when I put it on my shelf, it doesn't fall apart. But now we're on to the Sonny Angels. I got, what is this? The hipper. It's like the dreaming hipper. Here are the options. Okay, which one did we get? Oh, yes! We got the little sleeping sheep. I love it. I really wanted this one, to be honest. I love, like, especially if it's like sleeping, dreaming theme. Of course we want a sheep, right? I'm going to be keeping this one in its container though, because I don't have anything to stick it onto quite yet. But I really wanted another hipper, so I'm gonna keep this one in the package. And then these last two, don't be mad, guys. Don't be mad. I really couldn't wait. I really wanted to open these. These are the snack series. I've already opened them. I'm sorry. But let me show you guys what I got. I should disclaimer, this is not my most favorite series from Sunny Angel. Like, I think they've done better. This is a mustard. Okay. And then this is a chicken wing. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think this series might be the worst next to like that weird like flower series. But yeah, that is it for today's Sunny Angel and Smiski unboxing. I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you in the next video.